So hey everyone, welcome back to Sagar Infomode. Today we are diving into a very important topic in AWS cost optimization. So I will show you how to create a Lambda function to automatically stop the EC2 instances for non-production servers. This is a great way to save cost, specifically when your instances are running in the non-business server. So we have two Lambda functions. One is for the stop and one is for the start. So managing cloud. Like here you can see we have the event bridge and the lambda functions. So before we start, we need to select the python 3.11 version, so then only this code will work. So this is how the code looks like. So so managing cloud cost is very crucial, and one of the best way to optimize the cost to ensure non-production EC2 instances are in the stop state when not in use. So we are in this video we are using the AWS regions and incident instance ID, and we are using the pod 3 EC2 clients to call the stop instance method. And error, we have the error handling. If these lambda functions are unable to stop the EC2 instance, then it should throw the error message. So here I can see the stopping instances is as simple as calling the stop instances method and passing the instance ID. If there is any issue, it's logged and written in the responses. So same way we have the event bridge. So we have created the rule here. To in the rule we have given the specific time. So on this particular time, so it's supposed to run the lambda function and stop the EC2 instances, whatever instances ID we have given in the lambda function code. So all this lambda function code will be given into the description of this video. So now switching back to the start script. So now let's how we can start these instances again using a similar lambda function. The code is almost identical, but instead of stop instances we will be using the start instances. So everything will be same. We have the CloudWatch events. So code looks like so code will be given into the description of this video. So whatever instances stop, so by this using we will be start the instances. So in this approach, what we have seen key, like we will be stopping the instances and stopping the instances by hard coding the instance value. So in the next video we'll see how to stop and start the instances using the instances. So in this video we have seen how to stop and start by using the instance ID manually, but specific. So it's not a very efficient method. So what if you could just add the tags to your instances, like environment equal to lower environment or something as per your references? Let lambda function handle the rest. Well, that's exactly what we will cover in the next video. Stay tuned for that, and we will optimize the script to filter and manage the instances more dynamically. And these are the list of permissions we supposed to attach to the role which we attach to the lambda functions. So it should have the full EC2 instances, full lambda function, and this also permission. This permission will be given into the description of this video. So closing it for today's video, I hope this helps you get started with automatically stopping the instances and saving the cost. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sagar Infomode. Also hit the bell icon to stay notified about upcoming videos. So in next video we will be stopping instances, stopping by using the tags.